You're so happy. Ball. Kelly. Two. Yummy, yummy. And Kelly tummy. Good morning, guys. Welcome and welcome back to another vlog. My name is Kadisha for those of you that are new here. Today I'm bringing you guys a new vlog. I'm taking my daughter to this baby spa and wellness spot called Snuggle and Bubbles. So she's gonna do like hydrotherapy and get a baby massage, and I'm so excited for her because I feel like she's been catching the cold from daycare so often, and I just wanted to do something nice for her that she can relax and just enjoy it. So us as adults, we enjoy being pampered, so I'm like, let me just pamper my baby. Also, let's take her and see what this spot is all about. Hopefully she enjoys it, hopefully she's calm, and let the massage therapist massage her, because she is not that social, especially with people that she's meeting for the first time. But once she knows you and she's accustomed to you, she'll come with you no problem. But if she doesn't know you, she'll be a little scared, because usually when she sees strangers, she'll reach for me and automatically I think she's be thinking like stranger danger. So hopefully it goes well. She's calm. We're on our way there now, so once I get there I'll check back in with you guys. So I'll see you guys in a bit. We just arrived, so let's go inside and check it out. Kelly, you excited for your spa day? You excited? Let us go. Hi. This is Kaylee.
Yeah.
She has an appointment for 10:30.
Yeah.
I tried to call.
Yeah. I was about to call. I was getting ready. What are we gonna do? We're gonna start with a massage and then hydro for her.
Okay.
And then she can get a full session.
Okay, no problem. We are here. Kitty, look at the camera. Yes, so you think for your spotted. Yes, so you think for your spotted. You see other children, so you're excited. Yes, I'm so happy for you. Kelly, I like her.
They do have a green slice in here, and then you can bring it.
For me?
Yeah, for you, yeah.
Look at Kelly, she's so happy. You're so happy. Time to get ready for your massage. Just interested in baby? Yes. Oh, with the massage? You enjoy the massage? bubble time.
If she doesn't like it, then no, we
Yeah.
okay.
Bubble time. Yeah. Water? You want to get closer to the water? Ball. 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 Kelly. Give mommy the phone. Give it to mommy. Thank you. Guys, Kaylee had a blast. Her massage was good. She actually was relaxed in the beginning. Then she started to get a little antsy. So then she like just changed positions, but she got the full massage. I think it was 30 minutes. I think her favorite part though was the hydrotherapy in the hot tub, because she was just so relaxed and playing with the water and the toys. Yeah, she really enjoyed that. I really like this place, Snuggle and Bubbles. Staff is really friendly. Would I bring Kaylee back? Absolutely, because she likes it and I like to pamper her. And to just see her in her element where she's just so relaxed and enjoying it, like I love that. She's here playing now. Then I think we're gonna leave. I think I might head to the mall and have some lunch together with her. I don't know what else after, but this was a success. I feel so good. My heart is so contented for her that she actually enjoyed and it went better than I expected. So that's a plus. That's a big plus. If you are living in Toronto and you have a baby, I think it is from 3 months to 12 months. No, so sorry, from 3 months to 12 years old for the hydrotherapy. They have different ones. So they have the small tubs for babies under 6 months. Kaylee is 14 months, so she went into the bigger hot tub, but they have smaller ones for baby 6 months and under. Come back here, baby girl. And but if your baby is under 3 months, you can bring them for massage only. You had fun at Snuggles and Bubbles? You have fun at Snuggles and Bubbles? Yeah? So you ready to go now? Okay, we're gonna go to the mall now, okay? We just arrived at the mall. I came to Fairview Mall, but I think I'm gonna go to one of the restaurants here at the mall, Moxie's, and get something to eat, and then probably walk around the mall for a little bit and then head home. There's this place in the mall called Mr. Pretzel or Mrs. Pretzel, something so. That is how pretzels, and I love them, especially when they're fresh and soft. I love them. So I want to get one of them and probably go to Real Fruit and get a mango fruit smoothie because Kaylee loves those. So yeah, I want to do things for her today that she likes and she enjoys. So yeah, we're gonna head to get some lunch now because I am starving. You turning the bed for me? Okay. That's it. And then, right, mommy want to look at this page. We should get some ribs. You want ribs? Yeah, we can do ribs. We can do baby back ribs. Let's see what they have on the kids menu. Pasta, cheeseburger, chicken fingers, grilled chicken. Yes, that's the kids menu. What do you want from here? What do you want? Steak. You said steak? Chicken fingers for true, but that's what I was gonna get you. That's what you want. Chicken fingers. Chicken fingers. Okay.
I like your little bow.
Yeah. Yeah, she's my own.
So pretty. Here's your high chair.
Thank you. Yeah, you can bring the stuff for her to color. That would be good to keep her busy. Yeah.
Be a garbage man really
Two.
well. Like Avery, I want animal tattoo.
Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye. Kelly, say bye. Bye-bye. Your favorite thing? And I usually get it no sugar. Yummy, yummy. And Kelly tummy. You get all your favorite things today, boo boo. Yeah. You getting spoiled today. That's it for us. We gonna head home now. She's tired. I know she gotta be tired because after hydrotherapy and a massage, this girl gotta be tired. It's 2:46 now. So I'm gonna head home so that she can get a rest. We just got home and it's 3:25 p.m. and Kaylee is knocked out in the back seat. But I think I'm gonna end the vlog here and just call it spend the day with me and my daughter vlog. So thank you guys so much for watching, and if you made it this far in the video, put a baby emoji and a bubble emoji in the comments so that I know that you made it this far. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time in a brand new video. Bye.